guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a Vellabox just in time for fall. This is a candle subscription box and you can either get one 4-ounce candle for $10 plus $3 shipping, one 8-ounce candle for $20 with $3 shipping, or you can get a 4-ounce and an 8-ounce for $30 free shipping, and that is what I have. So let me show you the candles that I got this month. Plus you always get an added little bonus treat, which this month is dark chocolate sunflower seed butter. That sounds good. I love these little packets of like almond butter, peanut butter and things, because they're perfect to just like throw in your bag, take with you, kind of a thing. Can't wait to eat that. Every month they have candles from different companies, which I think is really cool. Look at these bags, aren't these cute with the little leaves on them? I always save these and then I can, you know, re-gift these and like put other things in them, that kind of thing. So this month, Aster, hand poured with love for Vellabox. Pure soy, and the big one is pumpkin spice. How appropriate. Oh, that smells good. That smells super good. I cannot wait to burn this one. And this year, I feel like the last couple of years I was kind of burned out on pumpkin things, but this year I'm feeling it again. And then the little 4-ounce is Apple Orchard. Oh, you know what? I was expecting more of like an apple cider, kind of a spicy thing, but this just smells like straight up apples. That smells like a freshly cut apple. Oh my gosh, that smells really good. Okay, let me read the little cards here. Okay, so Aster Candle is from Providence, Rhode Island. Catherine Kwolek began making candles in her kitchen as a creative release from her 9-to-5 accountant job. While she's upgraded to some larger candle making equipment since then, Aster is still a one-woman show. Each candle is created with care and is intended to enhance your everyday space. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. And then yeah, for the pumpkin spice, the fragrance notes, the top notes are ginger, cinnamon, and clove. Middle notes are pumpkin, brown sugar, nutmeg, and the base notes are vanilla and molasses. Gosh, doesn't that sound delicious? And then for the Apple Orchard one, the top notes are orange peel, cinnamon, nutmeg. The middle is apple jasmine, and the base is clove, oak leaves, and musk. Wow, I did not get any of that except for the apple. How funny. I wonder if it'll smell different when I actually start burning it. And I know people have asked me before about these candles, you know, do they have a strong scent? And I think it just kind of depends because each month you're getting a different company. I have not had any that didn't smell fabulous and like make my whole room smell really great. I have had some stronger than others, and I've certainly had scents that I did not care for. In fact, I think in my last box I got one that was really floral and it was just not something that I liked at all. But I ended up giving it as a gift to my mom, who loved it. So if you do get one that you don't care for, you know, they make fabulous gifts, right? Also, you could just gift the whole box to somebody if you wanted to, because this is wonderful. Everybody loves good smelling candles, right? Yeah, I'm getting his apple. That's so weird. So anyway, I love this box. It is so much fun. You get really high quality, wonderful, small batch, artisanal type of candles. I mean, this whole company is run by one woman, which I think is amazing. And I love that they switch it up every month and they have such wonderful scents, and it's always seasonally appropriate, which I appreciate. So anyway, I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!